In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Mailchimp, whether you're updating your account to match your legal name change, correcting a typo, or just want to keep your account information as up to date as possible. You're in the right place. Luckily, Mailchimp makes this process straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, let's navigate to the Mailchimp website. You'll want to start by logging into your account. Simply type login Mailchimp into your preferred search engine, or enter the URL directly into your browser. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to enter your username or email address in the designated field. Make sure you're entering the one you used when you first set up your Mailchimp account. After you've entered your username or email, the next step is to type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure you're entering it exactly as you set it, including any special characters, numbers, or a mix of upper and lowercase letters. Once your credentials are entered correctly, go ahead and click the Login button. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to the home page of your Mailchimp account. This serves as your dashboard, where you can manage your email campaigns, view reports, and access your account settings. Now, to start the process of changing your name, you'll need to access your profile. Look towards the top right corner of the Mailchimp dashboard. There you'll see your profile or account icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Among those options, you're looking for one labeled profile. Click on it. This will take you to your personal information and account settings. In your profile page, you'll notice sections for your first name, last name, and other personal details. To edit your name, simply click on the first name field. This action will allow you to type in your updated first name. Maybe you've gone through a legal name change, or perhaps there was a spelling mistake when you initially set up your account. Whatever the reason, you can correct it here. Follow a similar process to change your last name. Just click on the last name field and make your adjustments. Mailchimp has designed its user interface to be user-friendly, so you should find these fields easily editable. After you've made your necessary name changes, the final step is to save your updates. Look for a button or link that says Update. This is typically located at the bottom or to the side of where you've been editing your name. Clicking this will apply the changes you've made. And that's it. You've successfully updated your name in Mailchimp. Remember, keeping your personal information current on platforms like Mailchimp not only helps ensure you're receiving relevant communications, but also assists in keeping your account secure. Plus, it's essential for maintaining a professional appearance in your email marketing efforts. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of additional tips. If you've changed other personal information or details related to your business, it's a good practice to review those settings and update them as needed. Also, if you encounter any issues during this process, Mailchimp's Help Center is an excellent resource, or you may want to reach out to their support team for personalized assistance. Updating your name in Mailchimp is simple and takes just a few minutes, and I'm glad I could guide you through it today. Whether it's streamlining your marketing efforts, ensuring your account reflects your current business branding, or just keeping things tidy, you're now all set with your updated account. Thanks for joining me for today's tutorial, and happy emailing.